Welcome to another video. Today we learn how to set a image in a circle in Microsoft Word. So let's go, we will do it. First I delete on this and insert a new picture. Here is the picture. Now right top wrap text, click on this and select the behind text. Okay, now click on crop and now crop to a shape. You want to set circle, another triangle, rectangle, many option there. So I want to set it in circle, that's why I will select the oval circle. Now go to again crop and aspect ratio is square 1:1. Select on this. Now you can see and you set the icon here middle. So I will set the icon middle and hit enter. Now you can see the image is set into the circle. If you new in my channel, please subscribe and like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.